market so that all of you stay in the right side of the market. And yeah, I think our followers are actually in the right side of the market because you don't need to fight with the market every day. Just wait and watch the price action, what market unfolds before us, and then take your trading decision accordingly. So now, what we have discussed earlier, that we are in this phase, that is in the wave 5 phase, and see, we have marked this resistance zone from where market declined. But one thing I want to add here now, we have assumed that this is an ending diagonal, and after an ending diagonal, the decline generally comes very fast. Okay, but here market is not giving that much faster decline. Yeah, it has declined, and almost 600 points it has declined from our level. But see, it has declined as an leading diagonal, yes. But after an ending diagonal, we don't get this kind of structure actually. We get very fast 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, we expected a very fast 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it hasn't came. So what may cook up? So this doubt has forced me to take some secondary view. So first, in the primary view, what yet it can unfold. See, this is a leading diagonal, which is a very strong bearish structure. And after a leading diagonal, we have find an ABC correction. Yes, and from that area, from that resistance zone, market again declined. But again, if it is a leading diagonal, so it is A, this is B, then C should come very, very fast. But again, if you are following the market in regular basis, then these declines are not actually very fast. The put premium doesn't spike up very fast, and VIX is getting in downside, whether market is declining. So this is a very cautious area. You should be cautious in your shorts. And actually, I tried to upload my view in yesterday, but due to some busy schedule, I didn't make it. So I am making this video today. So what we can expect? We expected, actually, I have expected this bounce from here. And see, I have in my Telegram channel, I have given this. Okay, I have discussed this scenario that which may unfold. See, I have alerted that here it's pullback time now. Don't short in 10:10 a.m. I have given it for that reason. Okay, so if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, you can join here. No charge is there, just pure learning and no trading recommendation I give here. Just I give the market structure which is unfolding in live market. So if you want to stay updated in live market scenario, you can join here. Okay, see, here I have discussed very, very important aspects in the market. Okay, fine. So far, so good. Let's come back. Now, what scenario may unfold? Now, here, if this is A, so I'm marking it. If it is A and it is B, then a C may develop. Okay. Now, for that C, this may be the wave 1 of C. Okay. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is wave 1 of C, and wave 2 is in progress. For that wave 2, it may be ABC. So this is our first resistance area for tomorrow. That is 25,929 to 25,946. This is the first resistance area. In the first resistance area, if market reacts, then it may decline very, very fast. So you should watch the nature of the decline. The decline should be very fast. Okay. And after that, this should be the stop loss area. If one enters short here, this should be your stop loss area, that is 26,020 to 25,988. This should be your stop loss zone if it is one of three. Okay. So how it may develop? It may develop as 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3, 4, 5 in this way. Okay. And in this case, the target area should be 25,320 to 25,250. This should be the target area of the decline. Okay. Fine. Now, in the second case, it may also happen that B wave is still in progress. That is, this is A, B, C. So B wave may develop as A, B, and C. In this case, this should be the selling zone. Okay, for this decline, this should be the selling zone, and this swing high should be your stop loss. That is, the swing high here is 26,202. This swing high should be your stop loss. Okay, so these two scenarios are unfolding here, and for the second case that I have been discussing with you, that this from this low of 7th April, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and wave 3 or 5 is in progress. It may happen also. Okay. In that case, wave 3 or 5, for the third wave of the fifth wave, again the third wave comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure. Okay. So in that case, this is the wave 1, that is this portion. Okay, this portion. This portion is this wave 1 of the third wave of fifth wave. Okay. The major wave is the fifth wave, and this is 1 of 3, this is 2 of 3, and 3 of 3 in progress. If then 3 of 3 should be in 5 wave. For that reason, this is 1 of that wave 3, and in that case, this should be treated as a leading diagonal. Okay. And in that case, the support zone is coming at 26,257 to 25,170. So what may unfold, that this is 1 of 3, 2 of 3 will come, and 3, 4, 5 will follow to end the complete impulse. Okay, where you should be very, very, very cautious. That is, this will become the big market top, and from that, a big, big decline in the market will come. So here you should be cautious. Keep in mind what is unfolding in the bigger frame, and then took your trades in the smaller frame accordingly. Okay, so immediately here, from here, there is a long opportunity with this as your stop loss for the target of this area. Okay, this will be in fast nature. These moves should come in fast nature. Okay, otherwise these B wave will get shifted here, that is A, B, C, that will conclude the wave B, and C will follow. So in any case, market must give us a decline, a bigger decline. Okay, and after that, if this support area holds, then we can expect the most lucrative wave 3. Okay, and same is true here for Bank Nifty also. Let's see Bank Nifty, because you must correlate all the indices, okay, to get the perfect view. So what Bank Nifty is doing here, see, this is again same structure. From here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is wave 1 of 5. So wave 2 of 5 should follow. And in that case, see, this is an leading diagonal again, A, B, C, D, E. So this completes wave A. So B is in progress, that is, it may come in ABC form, or it may have ended here. Whatever may be, it should break this low. Okay, today's low of 58,736. If it breaks in fast nature, then this decline will come very sharply. Okay, initial target of this decline is 57,100. Okay, so having these in mind, trade safe and position yourself accordingly, and have a clear trade plan. Thank you.